Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create a new business listing. And so the first thing you want to do is go to shoprva.com and then in the top right corner click on Add Listing. And in this example we're going to be creating a listing for a park, Maymont Park, and we're going to select Play because that's what the category applies to. So there's three main categories. There's Eat, which obviously refers to restaurants. There's Shop, which refers to anything other than eat or play. And then there's Play. And in this example, we're going to use Play for the park. And just want to point out also that it's probably best to use your PC or laptop when you initially create your business listing, because it typically, you have all your content, your photos and all that on your PC or laptop when you go to create the listing. So it's just a lot easier to do that. And in this example, we're going to continue. And the next thing we're going to do is add the listing. And since we already have a listing for Maymont Park, we're going to create Maymont Park 2 in this example. And then I want to drop in a description. And this would be anything that you like to include about your business. You can include links. You can highlight. You can do all kinds of different things here. And you can toggle this to expand this these features here. So in this example, I'm going to just drop in this for the purposes of demonstration. And then the next thing we're going to do is add your tags. And in this case, because it is a park, we're going to select park. And what you do is you start typing. So in this example, I've already created a tag for Maymont Park. If I wanted to do advertising, or let's say legal, or shopping, whatever it might be that pertains to your business, feel free to use those. And then next is the categories, and we're going to select parks and family fun, because that's typically what people look for when they go to do a Google search, is family fun. So we're going to select family fun and parks. And then the next section is pertaining to the pricing. If you're a high-end restaurant or a retail outlet or a law firm or auto dealership, you might want to select maybe a price range. In this example, we're going to select price range. And because Maymont Park is free, we're going to select cheap. All right, the next thing we want to do is select your features. And I've got some over here I'm going to copy and just drop in. And those are the features. So if you have free parking, I guess we could do that too. Okay. And then the next thing is your business hours. And this is important because people are going to look at your listing, and if they see that you're closed, they're obviously going to go on to the next listing that's open. If you're open 24 hours, you can select the 24-hour option. If you don't want to include your business hours, select that option. And in this case, because we're open 7 days a week, or we can choose 7 days a week, we're going to go ahead and go with that option. Now, Maymont Park, I know for a fact, is, from the listing we've already created, is open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So we're going to go ahead and start selecting those. And you can kind of get an idea of how this works. I'll do a couple of them. 7 p.m. And it's just that simple. The rest of them, excuse me, I'll just select that they're closed just for the demonstration of this. And the time zone is New York, so we're on the East Coast. The email address we're going to use in this example is going to be test@shoprva. Drop that in. And this is how they're going to get in touch with you. The phone number is 804 for ShopRVA, 859-0533. And then the website, we're going to use Maymont's website for this demonstration. And then social networks. Now, I know for a fact that Most people want to connect to their social network because it helps to expand and get more people to follow. We want to select Facebook and then drop in the URL for Mammoth Park. We're going to add another one for Instagram. Let's see where that is. Instagram. And that's all that we need for right now. If you have more, just click on Add and then use the drop down to select it, and then make sure you put the URL or the link to your social media platform. In this case, we're in Metro Richmond, so we're just going to say Metro Richmond, actually Richmond, and then we're going to type in the address. So the address for Mammoth Park is 1000, and just start typing your address. Westover Road, and select the most appropriate one. Obviously it's in Richmond, so we're going to select that one, and the map automatically sets the pin for you for your location. You can also choose to hide the map if you don't want to use that. The other thing we want to do is add some photos. So we're going to select a photo from here, and we've already got some that are queued up. So in this case, we're going to choose Mammoth Park as the main photo, and then we can add more. So I'm going to go ahead and add more and select a few of these over here, just to kind of give it, you know, something else for people to look at. There you go. And then we've got a video from Mammoth Park from YouTube that we pulled, and in your case you want to use either a Vimeo or YouTube video URL, and that way you can display video as well. And then the next section is pertaining to a giveaway. So all businesses are required to promote a giveaway, some type of a gift card or gift certificate when they initially sign up, as a promotional way for us to help promote your listing to all the social media platforms that we're linked to and all the followers that we have, to help bring attention to your business. So in this case, we're going to give away a carriage ride as an example. The carriage ride is going to include a contest winner receives a horse and carriage ride for 4 people. Now the value of that is $40, and what we ask of you is to make sure that the minimum gift card or gift certificate that you're sponsoring in this contest promotional giveaway to help bring attention to your business, to the thousands of followers that we have on social media, is a minimum of $25, and it's explained down here for you. Okay. The other thing is that we want to add some terms of use, and I've got those copied, and I'm going to paste them in here. And you can have your own created, and it just simply states that the gift certificate must be presented to the coachman prior to the ride, is valid only for one ride, and all guests must be present. Gift certificate is considered fully redeemed once it is complete. Once the ride is completed. Excuse me. All right, so that's that. You also have to select that you agree to honor this gift certificate giveaway that you're promoting, or that we're promoting for you. Put your email address in here, and again, in this case, we're using test@shoprva.com. Click on the agree to privacy policy and terms and conditions, and then save and preview, and it's going to generate your listing. And we've got a coupon code to put in, which is going to basically waive the cost at this point. And so now it's zeroed out. And then just click on Pay Now, and your order is completed. And then you can click on View Your Listing, and it takes you to your dashboard, which allows you to edit your listing and to make updates and so forth. And outside of that, you're done. It's published. So here's your listing. Congratulations. Let us know if you have any questions. Again, this is just a test listing. So this is Maymont Park 2. And we look forward to having you sign up and join us and enjoy this journey that we're about to embark on, promoting you throughout the Richmond Tri-Cities region and throughout all the tourism coming into the Richmond Tri-Cities region. Let us know if you have any questions, and congratulations. Thanks.